The following graph shows data concerning a recent train ride from Denver to Kansas City. At what rate did the train travel? Let's take a look at the graph. We see 2 points on the graph. This one corresponds to 1 p.m. and the distance from Denver is 100 miles. So we could label this point 100. And the second point that's marked here corresponds to 5 p.m. and 450 miles. So let's label this 5, 450. Now we want to find the rate when the train has traveled from 100 miles from Denver to 450 miles from Denver in the time period between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. And we want miles per hour, so we'll do miles in the numerator. The rate is 450 miles minus 100 miles. That's the distance the train has traveled in this time period. And the time goes from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. So that time that's elapsed is 4 hours. So we have 350 miles over 4 hours. And that is equal to 87.5 miles per hour, or mph.